I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence.
Who's that Pokemon?
It's Pikachu!
It's Clefairy!
Wow, surprise. Kinda surprise. What's up? Oh, that's the wrong button. Let me just turn this down a little bit.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, Daddy. Hi, everybody. Happy 9 months, Jeff. That is crazy. You now have a child. Congrats. A Twitch child, I guess. Sure. Yeah, welcome, everybody. Happy Monday. I'm pretty sure it's Monday. Yeah, I was one of those, like, I'm not really doing anything. I could stream. I feel fine enough. Oh, Ellie's getting fussy. Hold on. Come say hi. I don't have a baby. Why are you wet? Why are you wet? Why is she wet? Supposed to be relaxing? I am relaxing. I'm relaxing with you guys. Really? Why'd you drop that? What is she doing? Yum, 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 yum. Seriously, what did you roll in that you're wet? Do I want to know? Hmm? Do I want to know, Stinky? Ugh. Wet. I don't like that she's wet, and I don't know why. Ellie, get the one you dropped. Come here. Here. Anyway, hi. She's a baby. She did pretty decently while we were away. She had a bit of separation anxiety, as she always does, which is unfortunate. But you know, can't do too much about that. My mom was home all weekend, obviously, but so she was really fussy that we were gone, and so she's getting popcorn right now, and I'm getting popcorn because I like popcorn. But yeah, so like I am relaxing because we're just kind of talking for now. All done. We're just kind of vibing, and it's our first time in just chatting in a long time, actually. So I figured we'd give it a go. This picture you got, Jeff, there's like also a cat butt in the background. So yeah, baby boy's also here. He's fully lounged up against my books because that's what my books need, is cat hair on them. Whatever. We're here. And so we got back home at like almost 4, like right before 4. So I've had time to like lay on the couch and relax and stuff and stretch my back out.
Give me your fucking money!
Loris. $25 because they called me out on my Thank you so much for the $25, Loris. Welcome in, Shion. Yeah, surprise, we're here. Ugh. Hair in my mouth now. Yeah. You pay now! Yeah, welcome in, everybody. You wanted the sound to play too? It's a really good one. That one makes me laugh every time. Yeah, I have to switch all that over to sound alerts too, I'm just realizing. Because I didn't even think about the tipping feature. I haven't touched that since Husband's Trip, the first one. So yeah, so update on the Husband. Out of like 420 something players, he got 75th, which is pretty good. So he's in the top like 4th percentile. And he did not get into the bracket for winning money, which is unfortunate, but he did have a lot of fun and faced off against a lot of players, a lot of good players. And he made it to day 2, which was better than his last time. So overall, he had a great time and is excited to do another one, depending on if one's close enough. I don't know when the next one is supposed to be, but I know it's probably not going to be close enough to us for us to like just drive there. Kid is probably in college. She's 20. Oh my God. I didn't need to know that. It's crazy. Yeah, so it was a good time. It was a good time. So while Husband did all of his nerd stuff, the aging gif, yeah. While I did all his nerd stuff, I went and saw a bunch of places. I visited a lot of coffee shops. I got a lot of coffee shops. The first day I had 3 different coffees, and then the second day I only got 2 coffees, and today I only had the 1. So I'm like weaning myself back off my high amount of caffeine. Because the first day I was wired. Like I was explaining my day to Husband. I was like, blah, 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 blah. You know how I get sometimes. It was like so fast. I was like, I don't know how I'm alive right now. I don't know if I'm breathing. And then Sunday, I like after I did my adventures and stuff, we sat in the hotel room for a little while, watched TV, and I passed out for 2 hours. I like shut down. It was a full on. I'm going to bed. It was one of those like, I kind of like looked at my husband. He goes, "Are you gonna take a nap?" And I was just like, and he's like, "Do you want to snuggle?" And I said, so I just I flopped over and like instantly passed out. It was a nice nap. It was a good nap. Although the beds in our hotel room sucked. Not sucked, sorry, that's a bit extreme. They did not play nice with my hips. My hips and my back are a little iffy sometimes. And so I the third night. So the second night I didn't get like any sleep. The third night I put all the extra pillows from our extra bed. So for some reason, buying 2 queens was cheaper than buying 1 king bed. Make that make sense? I don't know. So we just got the 2 queens. And so I pulled all the pillows off of that bed and made a pallet on my mattress. Yeah, they did look so comfy. And I did the jump test. I did a full like body dive onto the bed and it was fine. Push the beds together. Yeah, I'm sure they would have loved that. But yeah, I just stole all the pillows off the other bed. Yeah, I don't know why it's cheaper. That doesn't make any sense. Because like, I don't know, because originally you'd probably be, putting it between 4 people, ordinarily, or at least 2. I don't know. Whatever. So yeah, I just stole all the extra pillows off of that, and I slept very nicely last night. It was very nice. It was very lovely. But yeah, it was kind of silly because I was like at like weird height because I had to put all the pillows underneath me. But I slept great. I think there are going to be more people in the room and they'll order more room service. I don't know, because I don't think my hotel room had like room service. Also, the breakfast, you had to pay for breakfast. It was still a breakfast bar, like a breakfast buffet, but it was $13 a person. I was like, if I'm going to spend $13 for breakfast, I'm going to go someplace that actually has probably better breakfast. Like, I'm not going to eat the hotel food for that. Like, well, those are okay for you, but I don't trust the bedding. I mean, that's totally understandable. My sister actually used to work in a couple hotels. And she definitely says, like, you can probably trust the sheets, don't trust the comforter. And I live by that rule. Don't go rubbing your face on the comforter. That's just, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, she says, like, it just doesn't get as clean as well. That's just a fact. But, I mean, she always washed them. Because she's like, that grosses me out. And I was like, I appreciate it.
It's Cumshot City over here. This is crazy.
Yikes. That's the part you trusted? Jeff, no. No, definitely don't trust that part. No, the sheets are fine. You gross stuff out with that redeem? Yeah. Yeah. That was a yucky one. Unfortunately, it makes sense, though. No, all done. No more popcorn. All done. Shoo. Go someplace else. She says, please give me more popcorn, Mother. I know you have more. Stinker. Seen horror stories about sheets, too? I mean, yeah. And any place can possibly be a problem, you know? It's just how it is. But I wouldn't, you know, stress too much about it. Oh, yeah. So my weekend. I was talking about my weekend. So Saturday, 3 coffees. I went to that bookshop, which I did tell you guys about, which is really upsetting. You know, they had to deal with all the fire damage and stuff like that, which is really sad. But I am glad I found them because I was able to at least donate, you know, a little bit to them and help them out. We had, you know, bad rashes after staying there. Ugh. Yuck. But I went to a huge farmer's market. This farmer's market was quite large. And the only reason I escaped without buying like a bunch of stuff is because a lot of it was produce or cheese or flowers and stuff. And it would have all gone bad in my car because I was going to do a bunch of stuff that day. So I made it out pretty good. But I did get a bagel that I waited 20 minutes in line for. And it was so good. It was so good, you guys. It was so good. It had blueberry cream cheese on it. Oh, I was in heaven. It was worth the 20 minutes for sure. And then I got like a coffee that was like freshly ground from a Mexican stand. And it was delicious. It was a cold brew. Not freshly ground then. I'm thinking about a different place. It was cold brew. It was delicious. And yeah, so I just walked around. I got my exercise in. And then I went to the museum, right? I went to the museum. Not much to see there, but it was only $5 to get in, so kind of whatever. The dinosaur exhibits were pretty nice, but that was about all they had to offer. And it was a little disappointing, but the building was gorgeous, and I'll post pictures about that when I remember. And just kind of like just did some walking around, ate my bagel in the car, spent some time in the AC in the museum. And then I went to another bookstore that, because I had extra time. Bookstore, and they also sold coffee there. So I got a delicious cookie butter, I don't know what accent that was, a cookie butter coffee, and it was so good. It was so nice. But yeah, it was like the perfect like bookshop, and they sell coffee. It was very nice. Come to Oklahoma for some reason. We have an osteology museum. What was osteology? Cookie butter. Yeah, it was so good. I did buy 3 books. I showed you guys. And I bought just the one from that first shop. I bought this one from the shop with the coffee. And I love this book. I love this book so much. I think one day it will be on the banned list. I'll be so for real. Because it talks about, you know, racism and classism in a fantasy light. And it's very, very well done. And it has the sprayed ages. I've been meaning to buy this book for a while. It just happened to be at the bookstore I went to, which was lovely. So I scooped this one up. And then I went to... Oh, yeah, that's what I did on Saturday. Oh, Bones and Skeletons Everywhere? Oh, yeah, I'd go to that. I went to another bookstore because I had time. I accidentally ended up on this, like, little Main Street strip. And I went to the bookstore, and it was great. It was cute. And I bought 2 books there, which was the Deathless one. Never heard of it, but it looks phenomenal. Look at that artwork. And look at, like, it's like waves crashing artwork. I know it's probably hard to see on the camera, but it's so pretty. And this just sounded right up my alley. I was like, scoop. And this one I also never heard of. It's called Never the Roses. And it's well reviewed by people that I have read in the past, like Dorinda Jones, who does I think she's the one that writes Grey's Anatomy, I want to say. And then T. Kingfisher, I read their stuff all the time. So very well reviewed, gorgeous edges, looks like a little like fantasy castle in there. I love that. So this all came from the second bookstore. And as I was coming back from the bookstore, right, I was like, I'm on this little main strip. Maybe I'll go somewhere for lunch. I turn the corner, right? And I spot a little bakery cafe. And I said, I almost didn't go in. I was this close to not going in. I was like, you know what? I'm already over here. Let me go sit down for a minute and go get some coffee. This shop was so cute, you guys. They had a whole display of different type of macaroons. I never know which one it is. Of the flavored thingies. And they had so many flavors. I got 12. I haven't tried them yet, but I got one of a bunch of different types of flavors. And I got a coffee. The coffee was so good. It was ooh, hold on. It'll come to me. It was something rosemary. It was something weird mixed with rosemary, and it was so delicious. I do love the random winery finds. It's very, very nice. But I got delicious coffee there, and as I was about to check out, I said, they had homemade Pop-Tarts. They have freshly made Pop-Tarts. So I grabbed the last blueberry one, because I've been on a blueberry kick all weekend. This thing was stuffed so full of delicious, delicious blueberry filling. I was in heaven. She was like, do you want me to heat it up? And I said, absolutely. Absolutely, I do. So she heated it up for me. It was so good. It was so good. I went back to the counter and I said, I need to get one to go. I got a hot fudge sundae, one for husband to have for breakfast the next morning. That sucker was also delicious. It was so delicious. Because they only had like 3 left. I was like, I've got to get one for my husband. I'm going to regret this if I don't. Scooped it up. And we had it the next morning. And he was like, this is so good. And I'm like, I know. So that was it was a lovely find. It was a gorgeous find. I'm so happy I had that. And, oh, thanks, Laura. I saw your messages. I was like, well, remember to, oh yeah, it is me. You're right. I got distracted by things. Anyway, so yeah, that was a lovely little spot, and they had a flower wall, guys. They had a flower wall. It was gorgeous. I took a very terrible selfie because I get uncomfortable in public, but it was really good. You saw some TMNT macarons today? Oh, nice, lovely. Love that for you. So yeah, we'll have to try some of the macarons, and I'll have to let you know how those are, because I got a bunch of different flavors and they sounded delicious. So that was a nice little spot. I even sat down and I wrote for a while, which I've been meaning to do more of. And I started a new story, of course, instead of finishing one that I've already begun. We don't need to talk about it. The fact is I did some work. Whatever. So from there, I think I went back to the hotel after that, and it was just nice. And it was just me in the hotel room vibrating because I had so much caffeine. It was very nice. I mean, it was like, you know how you get like that I have too much energy in my body kind of vibe? That was me. I was like, I'm almost on the edge of this is too much. I don't know what to do with all this stuff. It came out of me. It was fine. I like relaxed after a bit, but then I saw husband and I said, here it goes again. I said, whoop. I was rambling when I picked him up. It was very funny. And then we went to the most delicious ramen place I've ever been to. It was so good. And it was also like when you first walk in, it was set up like an Asian convenience store. That's what it was set up like. So they had like a bunch of drinks on the wall, and then you could get like wrapped food to go if you really wanted to. But you walk up, they seat you, and it's packed, it's busy, it's lovely. Our ramen came out so quickly, and it was so good. We did an upgrade to like a pork belly. I think that's what we got. The pork belly was so good. Husband got a spicy ramen, which was very spicy. We were very sweaty after that. It was very, very nice. But yeah, ramen was delicious. And they have a location here in town. It's called something else. Pork belly is really good. Yes, it was so good. So I'll probably have to go check out their location here. I don't know why it's named differently, but it is. So we're gonna have to go check that out eventually, as it goes. But yeah, so it was a lovely time. And then I think that's all we did that day. We were so full of ramen. You know, that was pretty much all we had in us. I watched a lot of terrible ghost shows over the weekend because that was my goal. I don't have cable. I did have a lot of fun. It was so good. And that was only Saturday. Sunday, I went to the Gardens, right? But I had time to kill. Gardens didn't open until 9. I went to another coffee shop. And it was one of those coffee shops that I was like, if this location was in my area, it would be swamped with people. But on a Sunday morning, they were actually dead. I was like the 6th person in there. There was like a group of like a family together doing stuff, and then it was just me. And then they left and it was just me for so long. There was 2 customers the entire like hour I was there. And I did overhear she says they get really busy around 10. So I was just there early. This place was gorgeous. It looked like I was at an oasis resort. Like there was ferns all over the place, and it was beautiful. And I sat in a swing indoors. Some of the seats were swings that were hung on a big metal bar. And it was so fun. I was just sitting there, I was like swinging. The AC had to have been on like 64 though. I was freezing to death. But I was just like having too much fun sitting in my swing. And so I sat there for a while and drank my coffee, which was Lucky Charms flavored, made with cereal milk. It was very good. And then I went to the Gardens, and the Gardens was okay. It was very hot. It was so hot. And then of course I ran into a bunch of spiders, like I told you guys. It was I've had that like ninja moment where I was like dodging between all these spider webs. It was crazy. But it was nice. It was nice. It was only like, I think it was only $5, $7. It was something really, really cheap. My Gardens here is like $12, $15, but you get like way more flowers. So I don't know. I did almost get annihilated by the spider webs. It was insane. And the one I sent you a video of wasn't even like the worst one I came across. And if I hadn't been taking that video, I would not have seen that spider web in time, I don't think, because I was like looking down at the time, like watching my feet. And then I was like, I'll take a video for you guys or whatever. And I pulled out my phone, I was recording, and then I like did that like pan up and I said, so you guys saved me, I guess, from walking face first into that one. Yeah, it was rough. It was a little rough. And the mosquitoes really were aggressive. Your mom's basement was covered in spider webs, running them, even though after I cleaned them all up. Yeah, basements are just rough like that. So I'm telling you to get to the point. Well, they can suck it. I'm telling my stories. We're in Just Chatting for a reason. Yeah, so it was lovely, and I did get to sit by the lake. I just kind of sat there for a while and just kind of vibed. It was nice in the shade and a breeze coming off the water. It was really lovely. But obviously, you know, I got very, very warm. And so keep getting like notifications. I'm trying to turn them off. Ooh. Yeah, it was a good time. Hi, Teddy. Surprise. Happy Monday. Welcome in. Hi. It is Monday. Don't get confused. It is Monday. I am here. I am here. And I'm back to the gnats in my house. I love it here. I'm having a great time.
Nice, it's Teddy.
Jeez. I'm not supposed to be here. You're not supposed to be here. So take that. And yet we both are. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. I lied to you. Yeah, that's what I did. I definitely straight up lied. But yeah. Noct is awake, apparently. He's in the Discord right now. Funny. Noct, go to bed. Right? Yeah, so it was lovely. And then today actually on Friday we went to this gaming store, which was beautiful. So many games, like 4 aisles of games. And then they're like attached to a cafe that they own where you can play board games and eat food, which is a great time. Kinder's playing Astrobot, and there's a level called Creamy Canyon. Oh. Oof, dude. Yeah, so we went back there today because they do boba drinks that aren't milk tea boba drinks, if that makes sense. So like husband got a bomb pop flavored one and a cherry limeade one. And so they make different flavors, but their boba, their popping boba, is filled with different flavor. It was so good, and it was very nice. I've never been to a place that did something like that. So hey, that was your mom's nickname at college, wasn't it? Oh my god. Terrible. Terrible joke. So yeah, we went back there today to try some of their other flavors, and it was very nice. And we even played a game that I liked so much. I bought it from the store next door. So we went back over there and I bought it and got the expansion pack for it. It was just a little small game. And oh yeah, I got a new friend. You guys ready? It's hard to see him. There he is. Here's articulated. He's just a cute little fella. Yeah, I love him. Yeah, look at those colors. Yeah, it's between this and like a Brontosaurus of the same style. And this one's just cuter, and he does a heckin' wiggle. So, he was only $5. Can you believe that? He was only $5. I love him. So he's gonna live on my desk now. Right there. Because he's adorable. Yeah. So it was a good trip. Lots of cable. Lots of cable I watched and ate lots of good food. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys about the barbecue place. Oh my god, barbecue place. You can think about getting 3D printing? Ooh, expensive hobby. Ad break notives not working, or no, there was one. I delayed the last one. But no, they should be working. Yeah, it's true. This is a great song. I love the song. This is, yeah, Worthy by the Home Team. It's making its rounds. I really like it. But yeah, the barbecue place we went to was recommended to us by a guy who frequents the area, and it was the best recommendation. It just popped up saying it's incoming again in 3 minutes. Yeah, it only blocks it for a little while, so that's normal. That's normal. But we had, oh, I didn't eat dinner. Oops. We didn't eat dinner. We had like brisket and burnt ends, which were to die for. I had mac and cheese with brisket on it. It was so good. And then the guy who obviously loves his job, he really did. We were looking at dessert, and husband was like, I want the ice cream or whatever, and he's like, we're out, sorry. But my favorite dessert in this restaurant is the carrot cake. So that's my recommendation. So we said, absolutely, we'll go with the carrot cake. Oh my god. That is the best carrot cake I've ever had in my life. I don't usually care for carrot cake because it is usually either too sweet or too dense. You know what I'm saying? This stuff was so good. It was so good. And it had like a nice, like, it had a nice frosting on it with a lattice of caramel on it. Oh, it was so good. There's more carrot too than cake. Exactly. Exactly. And this did have carrot in it, you could tell. And the cake itself was cold, but the icing was hot, and I loved that. It was so, so good. Again, I don't really care for carrot cake, and I would have eaten the entire thing if I had ruined my stomach, but I didn't. So husband forced himself to finish it. I had a mocha martini for my dessert, and it was very good. Not as good as the carrot cake, but it was very good. But yeah, brisket's super, super good. If it's juicy, you're absolutely correct. Hot icing is chef's kiss. I know, right? It was so, so good. Yeah, so we had a lovely time, ate way too much food. And it was good. I enjoyed myself, despite the fact that, we did our own things. My husband and I had a very good trip. Oh, geez.
Oh, speaking of chef's kiss, I saw a Bon Apple Tea post today where someone called it Jeff's kiss, and I am stealing that forever.
Yeah, anytime you make anything good, Jeff's kiss. Crazy. Yeah. So we're good. We're back. We're home. We're safe. And we had a good time. We spent a little too much money. Luckily, though, husband actually had extra money saved because he wasn't expecting to make it to day 2. And so if you don't play in the main championship or whatever, you can do a bunch of side events, which you have to pay for each individual event. So he was expecting to pay for a bunch of extra side events. So he had, you know, he had a little extra spending cash because he did too good. And so that's why we went out to delicious, pricey barbecue, and it was so, so good. I think that's all I did. I kept busy throughout the day. And then by the time like afternoonish hit, I was like done. Oh yeah, I also picked up some stir-fried noodles after this coffee shop called Jinkies, by the way. It was called Jinkies, and yes, it was 70s themed. And I had an okay drink there. It was okay. And but the stir-fried noodles were so good, and I didn't realize I was so hungry after walking around the park all morning. I scarfed that whole thing down. Husband saved half of his. I did not. It was so good. And they also served braised pulled beef, I guess. No, I guess it had to have been brisket. Braised brisket in their stir fry, and it was so good. I would kill for that again. It was really good. Remember, Kendra always has leftovers. So what are leftovers? I mean, I do pretty okay when it comes to leftovers. There's that jail. Yeah, so I saved leftovers from yesterday's barbecue because that amount of mac and cheese and pulled pork was brisket. Did I brisket? Brisket on there was so much. I just couldn't do it. I don't think I even got through half of it. So that's what I should be having for dinner tonight if I was planning on eating dinner. It's already 6:30, so I don't know. I don't know how that's gonna work. It might be really late night pasta. But yeah, tomorrow's going to be hardcore cutting back on the calories because I think this weekend alone I probably gained some weight because I ate so much. I had so much sugar. Coming from someone who doesn't like consume sugar, I get sugar-free sodas and I get sugar-free coffee creamer, and I had so much sugar this weekend. Yeah, I was hyper, and then obviously the crash was aggressive, you know. it took me out. Straight up took me out. And I didn't just fall back when we fell into the Grand Canyon. Yeah, it's totally fair. And, yeah, that was me. But it's a vacation, so I was totally okay with doing it. And everything was so good. I'm so glad I did it. Gross. But yeah, I only had one coffee today. So it was a cold brew, and it was subpar. As far as cold brew goes, I think it was pretty okay. But, you know, cold brew is very, for me, it's fine. But this I didn't put enough flavoring in it, I don't think. I did put like vanilla in there. I didn't put vanilla in there. It was good. So yeah, I tried to like frequent different coffee shops. I never went back to the same place twice for coffee. So I'm, you know, spreading the love around, and I'll probably leave reviews later when I remember. Just like boop 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 boop. But yeah, it was a nice time. It was a good time. So yeah, Overland Park, Kansas, if anybody's in that area. I have recommendations now. And I recommend it. Yeah. Apparently you can take the train from like St. Louis. I think the same train line is like Overland Park area, St. Louis, and then like Chicago. I think that obviously they hit some other places too, but that's like, I know the main ones. And then we went to a wedding there for one of her friends. Yeah, it seems like an interesting place. Not walkable at all. Except like certain chunks, but driving wise, I didn't spend too terribly long in the car going to my locations. You know, it was like 10 minutes between places. It was totally fine. Reception at a brewery. Oh yeah, nice. I do like a good brewery. Yeah. One thing I was upset about is they didn't have good pizza. Like they had pizza, but none of it that I was willing to spend like a bunch of money on. The one pizza place I did want to go to, they only served 18-inch pizzas, and they're like, our pizzas feed 4 to 7 people. And I'm like, I'm a singular person. And my husband, maybe if he gets done with his stuff in time, we're not going to get done with that. And I'm not going to spend $30 on a pizza that we're going to have to throw away. Just not doing it. So we did not get pizza. Yeah, it was like too much, but it sounded delicious, and I'm sure it would be great with a group of friends. But with just us, it just didn't work out. But it worked out because we had the noodle place. No sad guy pizza? I don't think so. If I got to Kansas, I'm going to my barbecue. Yeah, the barbecue place was so good. That's why I told husband, I was like, we're in Kansas, we got to do barbecue. Even though St. Louis does have phenomenal barbecue, we just gotta do it. We just gotta eat barbecue. But yeah, we have great barbecue here too. Because the waiter was like, "Oh, does St. Louis have really good barbecue?" I was like, "Yeah, yeah, we do. You guys aren't exclusive to the barbecue scene." Sorry, I got distracted by dust. Is that dust? I don't know what that is. No idea. Yeah, it's different styles. Their barbecue sauce was really sweet. It was weird. Kansas City is the only place in Kansas that has good barbecue. Well, no, we were in Overland Park, Kansas, which does not count as Kansas City. Everyone will tell you that, I guess. But the barbecue sauce was like really sweet. It was like really sweet. I was like, what the? Different, but okay. It was good though. But I actually preferred the meat without the barbecue sauce. It was really, really nice. It was very succulent as far as the words go. So I enjoyed it. Like, I don't live in Tulsa, but I do. Yeah, like, I don't live in St. Louis, technically, but I do. You know, it's one of those. Like, we still count as St. Louis, but, you know, it's one of those things. But Overland Park was quite large. You know, I never left it when I was out and about. No, I left it once. And I don't remember where it was that I breached that border. But, yeah, it was a good time. It was a good time, but I am glad to be back. Well... Am I? You know? I don't know if I don't want to go to work tomorrow. That's for sure. And I like adventuring. I like going to see new places and doing all the things. And, you know, I just don't get to do that here. Because it's expensive. But, yeah. So, we made it back safely. It's kind of whatever. It was a 3-hour and 49-minute drive home. I think I made it a little faster than that because of how I drive. But it was just like a easy drive. It was a pretty easy drive. It was one of those, it's so easy because there's nothing to do and you're bored. Just like two highways like the whole way. That's it. And it was better than a lot of drives that I've done. Just because you're sick of being on the road. I speed full stop. I just speed. But yes, when I am tired of being on the road, I'm like, all right, let me just speed up a little bit here. Ugh. Can't drive at night, you get too sleepy and will pass out if I'm tired enough. Same, but I do it anyway. Because I'm just... If I avoided driving because of that, I wouldn't have been able to, like, because I lived in South Carolina for a time, and so I would drive home, you know, fairly often for having to drive 14 hours. And so if I like avoided driving just because I would fall asleep, it's like, you pulled over at a rest stop and slept for 2 hours? Yeah, see, I can't do that. The only time I stopped at rest stops to sleep was when I was on my, like, 2-week road trip, and I had to, you know, and even then I barely slept. But if I know I'm going to be on a long drive, I'll usually take like a caffeine pill, and that usually does me fine. Yeah, driving in the dark, unfortunately, I have to daily. Yeah, I don't mind driving. I actually prefer driving in the dark because there's not very many people on the road. I love driving at that, like, the early AMs because there's no one around, and it's just it's so nice. Like, you don't have to deal with anybody else. Midday is the worst. I actually get the big sleepies around 3 p.m. personally, and that's when I usually take my accidental naps here at my desk. It doesn't matter where I am or what I'm doing. That's when the naps like try and get me. Yeah, the stupid bright LED lights kill, yes. And I get that because I'm in a Prius. I'm in a lower car. I am headlight level all the time. It's rough. No, South Carolina, your parents retired there. Where they're at is amazing. Fun fact, the first time I moved to South Carolina, Beaufort, South Carolina specifically, was the first year in like over a decade that they got snow. And I was like, I left Missouri for this. They seriously got snow, and they had some of the coldest weather that entire season. I was freezing to death in South Carolina. I was so mad. And a little me lore real quick. So when I lived in South Carolina, I lived on a campground. I lived in a campground for months. But I started off in a cabin that had like no insulation, because why would you? Why would you heat proof? Why would you insulate a cabin that's 10 minutes from the beach? And so when the cold came, I was in my silly little cabin, freezing my butt off with this heater that they luckily did provide. That was either too cold or hell. Like, there was no in between. There was no in between. So it was constantly me like turning it on, waking up in the middle of the night, turning it off, waking up, turning it on, waking up, turning it off. It was a time. It was a time for me. In a freezer, most definitely. Yeah, it was a tough time. And the water heater for that cabin, I kid you not. And he even said this. He was like, it's only a gallon. And I was like, listen, I shower fast, but I timed it. I could only take a 7-minute shower. It was only 7 minutes. I could not wash my hair. The only reason why it wasn't a problem is because I was paying only like $400 a month for everything. And I could walk to the bathhouse easily. So on hair wash days, well, actually most days I would just walk to the shower house because I like showers. I don't like getting in and being like, ah! You know what I'm saying? So I could walk to the shower house. It was a short walk. But yeah, I lived there for months, and I had to move out of that. I moved into a tent for a while, and then I moved in with my mom and her camper for a little while. I was all up and down for a months in South Carolina for almost a year. Took a 30-minute shower sometimes. I take long showers. The only reason I don't take longer showers is because, like, if someone needs the water, or since we have an old house, every once in a while the pipes just decide not to drain, and then you're like half swimming in your shower, and so those times I'll take fast showers. So husband takes fast showers too. It's not about getting clean, it's about enjoying the peace of a shower. That's really all it is. Like, I can get clean fast, that's not the problem. I just like being there. Try to keep your showers to about 20 minutes, but long hair says no. Yeah, long hair, that's true. Washing twice and then conditioning does take me a minute. Especially now that my hair is getting like even longer. There he goes, fast shower.
Stealth mode engaged.
Nice. Yeah. Enjoy your shower. Yeah, I need to wash my hair. I did debate on showering, but then I decided to stream instead, so I don't know. You're welcome, I guess. I don't really know, actually. So you guys have to look at my greasy hair today. Congrats. Congrats. I could have washed my hair at the hotel, and I also opted not to do that. I don't know why. Didn't want to. You're welcome. Thank you. Yeah, yeah, I don't know. I just didn't want to, I guess. I did solidly debate on taking a shower, and then I was like, no. You know, that's what all came down to. I was just like, no. Guess what we didn't do? Oh, your hair's a mess.
Yeah, what's up?
Eat.
Yeah, I was literally just coming up here to ask you if you wanted food.
Noodles?
Do you want the noodles?
You want to split? No, I have noodles too. We both have noodles.
Oh, right.
We can split the mac and cheese, and then you can take your noodles to lunch tomorrow if you want.
You can do that. Sounds good to me.
Thanks. Say hi to
Hi, Chad.
Larry. Say good job at Carl.
I did it. I made day 2. Yay. Yeah, and then we don't talk about day 2.
You did still really good.
I made it. Yep. You want a drink?
I got water.
Okay.
Thank you. Okay, I love you. Yeah, so yeah, it was a good time. It was a good time. Yep. That's what I got. What'd you guys get up to all weekend? I didn't see you guys yesterday for my 12+ hour stream time sometimes, you know. So what'd you guys get up to? What was meal prepped for this week? Let me know. Tell me. Because I yapped a long time. It's your guys' turn. Someone else take the mic from me. I've been talking nonstop. Game with friends, nice. What games you been playing? What are you doing? The Battlefield? Is that was happening, right? Oh yeah, I saw you posting about your. I was a lot of Fallout 76. Hell yeah, I love Fallout 76. Cleaning, bleach, moldy stuff, meal prepped, French dip again. Sore. That's fair. Well, I'm glad your French dip turned out well enough to do it again, because it sounded really good with the dippy dippies. I love that. But yeah, congratulations on your cleaning. You have way. Sorry, today's message came in there and just canceled my thought entirely. I got my breasts admired and appreciated as they should be. Proud of you, Teddy. Yeah, Jeff calling you out like that was so funny. I was just like, what? And then you had to send that image and I was like, I gotta leave. I gotta leave this Discord that I've created. Yeah, it was crazy. But yeah, congratulations, Loris. You have way more gumption than I do. Gumption? Motivation? Let's go with motivation. You have way more motivation than I ever had in my entire life. So, I'm proud of you. Absolutely proud of you. I could never. I'd even clean my own basement. It's a lot. If you'd have time to do anything crazy meal preps, you figured why not? Yeah. Yeah, if it doesn't matter as long as you enjoy eating it, you know? Like, sometimes for me, it is just a can of cold corn. You know what I'm saying? Like, it just kind of depends. No, it hasn't been that way in a while, but it's just like, you didn't want to do it, but I also didn't need your mom to have a moldy, stinky basement. Yeah. See, that's the problem, because my mom moved into my moldy, stinky basement last time she lived with us. And so when she moved in the second time, I was like, you're not sleeping down there. It's gross. And I can't fix it because every time it rains, it floods. So don't do that. And Jeff couldn't match your freak. I don't know if anyone really can, Teddy. So good job, I guess. I don't know. So yeah, so that's why, yeah, she's not in the basement, she's in the lower level, which does still flood, but not in the same way as being stuck in the basement does. You know, does that make sense? So, my house is old and falling apart. And that's just how it is. It is just how it is. But we're doing all right. We're doing all right. Yeah, Teddy, what did you do this weekend? Aside from getting your breasts admired. What did you actually do this weekend? But yeah, I think you guys are playing D&D next Sunday, right? Was that decided? I think it was. Not the dope quotes. 2 quotes from Teddy today. Love that. I love that. Yeah. Yeah, it was I'm glad to be home. For the greed next time he comes up, we're gonna get a small dumpster, go through the whole basement. Ooh, and just throw everything out. Ooh, that'll be nice. That'll be very cathartic. We've been meaning to do that since we moved into this house, because my great aunt left a bunch of stuff. Like, a lot. You know, a lot on the weekdays, so your weekend was chores. Ugh. Gross. Hate that for you. I hate chore weekends. I hate chores. Full stop. Nudes. Thanks, my love. Thanks.
Love you.
Love you. We got the mac and cheese with some pulled brisket and just like a slab of brisket. Oh, look at the boy waking up. Look at him. Look at that fiend. Quote 81, baby. Look at this monster. Can I help you? Look at him hovering. The nudes, yeah. It smells great, by the way. It smells so nice. Yeah, so this was, and also their mac and cheese is not like a cheese sauce. It tasted like, it was like there was a lot of Parmesan in it, and it was, I don't know, it tasted different. Not me holding up a fork of food while you take that. Let's see what that looked like with the boy. Great. Looks like he's planning to steal my fork. Looks like he's like planning a heist. But yeah, so this brisket here. Look at that. I was not telling you to look at it. see him, like, lean up. He has to be looking sus. He's always looking sus. He's just a sussy boy. Yeah, she knows how you went to a silent disco. What was that like? I've seen videos of that, and it just seems so wild. I don't know if I could do it. Of course, I don't really go out and do things anyway. I say as I spent the entire weekend going out and doing things, but that's different. That was because I was out of town. So it was free? Oh. Well, then yeah. Can I help you? This brat. Yeah, going free is a great time. We're actually going to a concert tomorrow. He is ready to attack. He's ready to, he's gonna get whacked in a minute. Look your body. I'm bullied by my children. Don't worry, Ella's getting some too. There's 3 different DJs. The headphones had color coordinated channels for each. Oh, that's interesting. That's a great way to maximize space, I guess. So you can just, like, go see who you wanted to see. Ow. So the toe beans come out? Yeah. That's all you get. This is mommy's food. It's really good. But yeah, we're going to a concert tomorrow. An actual one, not like a silent disco thing. And we're going to see We Came as Romans. And I think... I don't remember who I said the openers were for that. But we're going to go see that tomorrow.
Explosion!
Hi, Shadow. Welcome in. I is good. You just missed my whole tirade about what I did over the weekend. Welcome in. Yeah, there's books in your way. Yeah, how are you, Shadow? How's your projects coming? Did you finish your fish? Are you on to a new project already, knowing you? Your MTS was going? I don't think so. Let me see. No, Make Them Suffer comes in November, I think. The pageant, let's see. Stop it. Can you stop? Their openers are Currents, After the Burial, and Johnny Booth. All of which I think... I didn't check out Johnny Booth's music, I don't think. But Currents and After the Burial, I'm like... about... I think it was Currents that I liked better? I don't remember. I'll have to try more of their music tomorrow. It'll be interesting. I fixed the side part of fish, but main part works. Nice! I love that, Shadow. I love that. Successful fish. Dr. Baylor, you enjoy... yeah, I couldn't remember which one I preferred. Before? Maybe. Yeah, so it'll be interesting. We got the tickets for free. Conversation, yeah, it was like convention. Did I go to a convention? I don't remember. To call tech support again because your account locked again? What's your account? Account of what? It should be good, yeah. And I said it wasn't free, but it actually is free for us because our friend works there. So she got us some tickets. Your school email? What the heck? Who are they trying to keep out? Look at this menace. He's so cute. He's lucky he's cute. But yeah, so we got free tickets to go to that tomorrow, and I'm excited. I had to get new earplugs because my earplugs got stolen, obviously, because they were in my bag at the time. It's the 3rd or 4th time. Dang, they just do not like you. They don't want you to have email. That's really weird, Shadow. Did they say why it's happening? Or there's like, and let you go about your business. That's so terrible. Should I ever ask what you were going to school for specifically? Oh, never mind. All right, goodbye. Goodbye, Chad. I'll bother you later. Oh my goodness. So, also, you guys want to know one of the reasons why I decided to stream today? What really like pushed me over the edge was I was going through my updates on Steam because I haven't been able to update anything all weekend because I've been away from my computer. Guess who has an update? Observation Duty 7. They have an... Oh, that too, Loris. Yeah, I miss you. But also, Observation Duty 7 has an update. That came out of nowhere. It's a randomizer, Loris. We get a random amount of rooms from the other games. We're gonna be so screwed. You can have 5, 6, 7, or 8 cameras, I think, entirely. I was like, well, we gotta check that out. We're gonna be so screwed. But it's gonna be so much fun. They also have a black and white mode for some reason. I guess it probably would make it a little harder. But you can play in black and white, which is interesting. But you obviously, essentially it only unlocks after you've beaten all of the maps, which we already have. So I thought, might as well try it. You're off. I randomly started watching Observation Duty streamers. Hell yeah. Teddy, yeah. Yeah. Hi, Jeff. Welcome back. We're about to play your favorite game ever. Yeah, it's so exciting. Yeah, I was just like, oh, update, you say? That's crazy. Out of nowhere, too. Like, he hadn't mentioned anything about doing an update, as far as I heard. Yeah, that's true. You gotta unlurk, Jeff. You gotta bring back cookies. And playing Street Fighter? Yeah, you know me. After my nudes, figure we can go play some Observation Duty. See if we can catch a Capone while we're doing it. On a Steam page the other day because you were tempted to buy 7 and saw nothing about an update. I know. Let me see when it was posted. It was posted. It said it was posted this week. It was posted on Friday. Yeah, it was posted on Friday. So that's so crazy that he put that out. Because, like, I was reading it, I was like, oh, it's just 22 more languages, which is great. And then I was reading more, and I was like, wait a second, randomizer? Huh? So, I love that. Yeah, and you can just play in black and white if you want to. But yeah, you have to beat all the levels first, and we already did that, because we're great. Well, you guys are great, I just pushed the buttons. So, it was a fun little surprise, and so we'll have to see how we do on that after taking a break for however long we did. Yeah. It'll be so good. See how well we do. So to add this open Discord, you know, if he's conscious right now, you know how fast he's gonna show up. Duty 7, please. No one's streaming it right now. It's or no one's watching it right now. Not streaming. I'm sure someone's streaming it, but no one's like watching it right now. Although it has 420 followers. Nice. So let's swap over that. And then I'm almost done eating, so I'm gonna pull the game up. I'm excited to see how we do. So it is like maps we've already done, obviously, but to have them from mixed in with other games is crazy. You patting the gargoyle? Yeah, he's there. Those 3 is it mixed in? I'm happy. I think I said all of them. Randomizer, it brings together 5 to 8 random camera views from different levels. So I don't know if it's like how many games, or it's just the levels from this game. I don't know. Bulba, what the hell? What are you talking about? What do you mean? Are you mad that I'm eating very delicious barbecue mac and cheese without you? So if you were streaming earlier and you weren't? Well, I was. Like, what do you mean? I've been here for an hour. Yeah, mac and cheese without you, yeah. So. And it's really good, so. Who messes with the lie, Boba? Yeah, I didn't delete it until I started streaming. I had a good laugh about that. Mm-hmm. Listen, you weren't there, Red. What do you mean? But to be fair, my schedule still doesn't say anything. You're mostly familiar with 5 and 6? Oh, Teddy. Welcome in, Red, by the way. Yeah, I went to multiple coffee shops without you, so... I'll just put you in my backpack next time. Bonus stream is happy with Dino Day. Yeah, right? I'm giving up my relaxation day to be here. And bookstores, yeah, I only went to 2. 3? Well, the third one doesn't really count because it was kind of smoky. But I went to 2 bookshops without you for sure. And a very, very, very good game shop. But yeah. Yeah, welcome in, you guys. We're gonna play some Observation Duty. Red's just gonna have flashbacks to Wins. When she was the only one helping me play. And once I said you'd play games this evening, but Joe was like, no, she's tired, let her rest. I am resting. All right, all done. All done, you stinky babies. All done. Don't don't bonk me. I'm here. I'm having a great time. Zarita might ruin your love of books when I smite you while there were books present. Yeah, terrible. That's terrible. That's not very nice. All right, Bulba, get kicked. Block. Block her. Get her out of here. Unmod Lawrence. You know what? I can do stuff. Yeah, your peepers peeled, Teddy? Good. We need all the peepers. All of them. All of them, because we're so out of practice. You have a key to my home? Yeah, well, time to change the locks. Time to change those locks. Gotta get her out of here. All right, you guys ready to do this? You guys ready to work? Putting y'all to work. See, now we have the randomized. Whoop. How many rooms do we want to do? 5, 6, 7, or 8? Which was earlier, and they were asking what pinball game we thought was happening next. He said Nickelback as a joke. You got a message on the screen with a warning from the mods. You're not allowed to unblock Bulba. She deserved it. Music might distract you a little bit. Oh, sucks. I can put on lo-fi again if you guys want. We haven't done lo-fi in like a while. I just wonder I didn't block her. Yeah, but I could is the thing. I could. You like the music? Okay. Yeah, let's get a vote then. Do you guys want this music or do you want something chiller? Turn it down a tad? We can do it. It's gonna get you think about your concert. I'm going to a concert tomorrow. Okay, well, hold on. All right, hold on. Let me do poll. Diarrhea Jane.
Diarrhea Jane.
All right, we're gonna put on a quick poll, just a short one, just a minute-long poll. Oh, did you? Lois, you're faster than I am. We did it at the same time. That's so funny. Dang, we got 5 votes for lo-fi already? I thought that said James, and I was like, who's James? The question is, did you have pay points to put more votes down? Because that's a serious question too. Either way, it looks like lo-fi is winning. We haven't done our spooky lo-fi list in a while. It feels pretty unanimous though. None of you will outvote me. Yeah, that's true. Red has the most points. Of course, take it seriously. Ian, you do a very good job, Loris. Need a good spooky one? Look up Wipeout Audio. And I actually have one. I started, yeah, like I use this one all the time. I made it myself with it's about 4 hours worth of random stuff. Random stuff. Okay, so now we have the choice of 5, 6, 7, or 8 room counts. And if you guys want to get fun and Loris is learning new mod things, we could do a prediction if you guys want. I thought that's an ambulance video and I was like, huh. I have a video of a zombie farting if you'd like that. I don't actually. 383.3%. 23. She was like, lo-fi! Lo-fi! She's not playing around. He said spooks and then realized that would probably get me in trouble because that's a bad word. I mean, I don't consider it one though. If you want to do a prediction for if we fail or not, let's do a prediction. But we have to decide, are we doing like hard 8 rooms or like right off the bat? And then we'll do a prediction on if I survive the first attempt. Or do we want to do like 5? Either way, I think we should do hard, even though it's been a minute, because we have played on hard. Jeff.
Do it hard, daddy.
Go big or go home. All right. Then Loris, if you wouldn't mind putting up a prediction on if we are going to make it through on the first try. With 8 rooms, hard level. You're here for the giggles, you're playing Titan Quest while we chill? Fine, don't help us. Well, fine. I guess. I'll turn the lo-fi back up a little bit just because it's a little quieter than this one. But yeah, going to throw your prediction up. I'm gonna get it started. Yeah, Bola plays Titan Quest. This is 2006.
Emotional damage.
Nice. Do we make it on the first try? Cast your votes. You can either do, I think the standard is 10 points or custom amount. I got so startled even though I knew we were playing random. I just got so startled right there. Oh man, and it's the worst room of, not the worst room of the museum, but it's one of my least favorites. Oh, so we got 2 museums. Ooh, we got one from the apartment. I'm not as familiar with the apartment one. 2 from the factory. 2 from the apartment. And the pool. The spa. The spa one I think we'll do okay on. This one's been a minute since we've played. Explosions, you're back again. Welcome in, Shadow. There is a prediction going if you would like to vote. You do not have to. And then if you want to help me with this, that'd be great. So this is an us thing. Because we're all doing this. Right? Just saying when we see one? Yeah. Because we're all in this together. We're all in this together. I'll find the dead body, though. Guarantee I'll find that dead body. It's been so long since I've played most of these. Just shut the anomaly or just... try giving me the room first. And then we'll see if I can remember. I'm so bad at this room specifically, actually, so. I don't remember the rest of that song. That's pretty much it, yeah. I was never a, High School Musical kid. And we know we're from the start, we're all stars or something, I don't know. Either way, they're in it together. We're all in it together. We're doing stuff. Ooh, yeah, what'd you guys predict? You know who was a High School Musical kid? You were a High School Musical kid? Oh my. You watched Glee? I watched Glee. Yeah, I did not watch it as it was coming out though. I kind of binge watched it on Netflix years later. It was pretty decent up until it wasn't, you know. And then I was like, oh my god, shut up. You all complain so much. It got so soap opera-y. Getting unlocked was easy enough. Oh, good. Good, Shadow. Ooh, took it. You're a high school kid who was in a musical. Yeah, I mean, you liked Corbin Bleu. Fair. Honestly, so for real. So real of you. I predicted on your downfall, so lock in. We all gotta lock in. He is very pretty. He's still very pretty. Oh, this is backwards. I don't know if this is a manipulation or not. Because the whole conveyor belt's going backwards. Yes, so what's this game? Oh no. What is this called? Is this object movement? I thought it was object manipulation. Maybe it's object replacement. Is it movement, do you think? Oh man, we're gonna lose on the first go. Dang it! Just watch and see what moves, and see what changes, specifically. Loris, we haven't played this in a long time. And still have zero faith mate, that's honestly fair. Make sure I'm on a meat piece, oh. Well, then it wouldn't be object replacement, then? Oh, I'm rebooting. We're gonna die. It is some kind of horror game, you are absolutely correct. But it's like light horror. I think most of the rooms that we have in this current lineup aren't very horror-y. So we're finding things that change between screens. So in this one specifically, oh, now we have too many people, too many anomalies active. So it comes from the canning line. It's supposed to be meat into can, but right now it's going can from meat, which is wrong. There's 100 points from you. Well, Teddy, I'm trying my best. I haven't played it so long. Skip. It's still not object movement. It has to be object replacement then. But I just didn't click correctly. Yeah, we're gonna lose on the first try. Because this is the only one I can find and see. We're just gonna try it again. It was object, okay. It was object manipulation, I just didn't click on the piece. Lobby, you said? Yeah, I got nothing for you. White image anomaly? I don't think I've ever gotten that one on my own. I literally don't think I've ever gotten that one right on my own. God, it's like I've forgotten everything about any of these maps. It's been so long since we've played. And the last one we hardcore attempted was the cabin, so as we look for it, canning line again. Is this the image in the background? Is that what's different? Or it is? Okay, I was questioning myself on that one. We can still do it, Teddy. We can still do it. We can still get you your 800 points. It's been so long. We got no horsemen on this map? Exactly. I'm so glad about that, actually. No horsemen. You think the warehouse? Think this, you're talking about the storeroom? Is that what you mean by warehouse? I think that's the only thing that's like similar. The poster? Ooh, which one? They're facing different directions. I think the poster is fine. It's also a little harder because last time we were able to play this, OBS wasn't borked on everything. So like I can't see your guys' chats on the screen right now, so I have to look over to my other monitor to see you guys. Statue gallery? Oh man. Did the plaque move? I'm bad with statue gallery. Paintings missing on the left wall. What? Oh my god.
Bonk, 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 bonk.
All right, kick her out of here. Get her out of here. Set her to timeout. Can't too busy looking for anomalies.
Yo, come on, man. I can't have shit in this house.
What do you mean? You get everything. Oh, chair moved. I know that one. Chair moved. Is it? Oh, is it? Oh, it's missing, not movement. My bad. Object. Missing. At least I recognized that chair. Loris, who might be in trouble. There is a chair missing. Absolutely. There's a chair. It's supposed to be like right here. Did I click on the wrong spot maybe? Was it like closer over here maybe? Yeah, the chair is missing, but I don't know.
Bonk bulba
Why?
bonk bulba bonk bulba bunk balba bank bobo.
Bank Bobo. Got her. Well, we made it to 2 a.m. That's exciting. Lobby. What lobby? All right, I think, yeah, you can close out that prediction. I mean, oh no, yay, free points. Listen, I'm doing my best. You guys actually don't get like too many points, I don't think, because you guys almost
free
all
real estate.
like voted for against me, except for I think Teddy lost all of his points, but well. How do you do that? That's a great question. See, that's a great question. I don't know if it already went. Yeah, it said the prediction's already like closed. So I don't know if it already like went through. I don't know. Plus, yeah, you all lose your points. That is true. I appreciate having faith in me, Teddy, but also
Emotional damage.
but also let's see. Predictions. Huh. Oh, choose outcome. So if you go to like make a new prediction, Loris, and then you say choose outcome, I can click on the one that is correct. So, yes, complete prediction. So I just did it. Here goes the points. So you guys should get your points on, Daddy dying. 'Cause I did. 69. Nice. Nice. Okay. Anyway. So I wonder if this is going to give us new maps. Since we're doing random. Let's test this out. Let's see what it does. It's stuck. Okay. It's the same. Gas pump, canning line. Okay, it's the same maps. It is the same. Prediction started. Oh man. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. Listen, if I do make it through, you probably make bank on points though. Make it through. A second. Who can I predict? I cannot predict. Oh. I can't vote against myself. Oh man. Oh, the chair was here. So I was just too far over. You ever want to jackpot your bouncing? Oh, you don't want to get into a gambling addiction? Come on. Come on. You have to try real hard because you put down 1K? Alright, you better help then. What do you mean? Give up. We're gambling. You're blind? Yeah, I know. But also, that's not how you win points. You don't win points by being blind. Oh, it does count as missing object when we do that again. I keep expecting to see like a different map because I'm so used to them being in a certain order. You legally wear glasses? Yeah, so does Bulba. I keep like expecting the next map in the sequence, and I'm like, I have to think about it because it's so confusing. Are the windows this grimy? Is that normal? I feel like they're not supposed to be that grimy. Glass is fine? Okay. It's been a while since I've looked at that map. Go back to that because things are fuzzy with your -9, -7 eyes. Oh my god. Well, but I feel like you just got glasses too. I am vibing to this music. It's been a while since we've listened. Sorara saying anything? I know. I wasn't gonna say it, but yeah. I saw one. That was it. It's a bit concerning. The cold pool. Is there an extra plant back here? Or am I crazy? You might have seen something? Alright, Teddy, what'd you see? Oh, the keys! The keys! Keys. Nice. Your little googly eyes. I see where the predictions landed. Did most people vote against me or for me? Oh, Teddy voted against me this time. Wow. Teddy's gonna sabotage me just for points. Ah! Missing object. Now I'm actually clicking on the correct area of the chair. Yeah. Yeah, I was just pushing the wrong area. Wait, did these move? These were behind it before. Yeah. Object movement. I think it's movement. Nice. Nice. See, I just had to get warmed up. You know, I just had to get a little warmed up. It's been a while since we've played. Especially most of the maps that they gave us. Like, it's been so long. If they gave us Log Cabin, ooh, we'd be all over it. Because we were, like, hardcore playing Log Cabin for a minute there. Log Cabin is the best? Yeah, I mean... We finally got Lumber Daddy, you know. Only took us forever, but we did it. Guys, the dead body. Oh, one of my best gaming clips. You're gonna bonk if you didn't see that? Yeah. I like looked at it for a second and I don't know why my brain didn't actually see the shape of the body for a second. I saw like the hair, but my brain was like, that's something else. I don't know what it thought it was, but it was weird. It took me a second. Awfully quiet at jail. Statue gallery is different? Oh, his base. You know, that's really weird because that's like the whole time I've been like, okay, square, square, square. The one time I didn't look at his feet. I'm just glad I saw exactly what you were talking about for once, because that's the one I usually miss too. I don't want to be looking at this man's feet, you know what I'm saying? Big ick on feet, yeah, exactly. You're into feet. Oh. Defeat. All right, yeah, definitely block her. Get her out of here. She needs to be banished for that. Paper's closed, head empty. Teddy. You're supposed to help. So sure my knowledge cannot ban. Well, I have to go on a banning spree here in a minute, and so it's gonna have to happen. To ban everybody. Someone say notes? Well, not yet. Well, but I think you're lying to me. Because if so, you're leaving? No, actually, no notes, Zaman, but you have to help solve puzzles. You have to help us find the thingies. Welcome in, Zaman, though. Surprise, we're here. But there are signs. What are you talking about? Bulba's crazy. Steam. Smoke is what I meant. That's definitely what I meant. Especially after playing Sekiro, so probably won't be great help. Oh no. Are you any good at that game, Salmon? Why does this feel wrong? I feel like the light is too bright in there, if that makes any sense. It was gas pumps? Is it the light? You're doing decently? Love that for you. Spaceship on sign 1. Oh. I was like, are the lights different? No. There's a UFO. Listen, most of the time, I'm not very good at this game. Despite the track record of, you know, having beaten them. Good spot, Loris. That was good. That was a good eyeballs. See, Loris is helping me. You had to play 4 Souls games to get ready before playing Sekiro, and you still stopped on your first try? Really? Oh, crazy. How much the randomizer would mess Capone up? Ooh, yeah, I wonder. Because he'd have to have, up, like, all of his notes. Oh, yeah, no stake in the pool. That's really true. When did we just start out? When did we just start saying the anomalies? We haven't. She was saying, like, the location, and then if I don't get it, she says the thing. Yeah, exactly, Loris, yeah. Which, to be fair, most of the time, yeah, I am confused. And that's not even related to the game. That's just my life. I just am confused. Most of the time. You can stop helping next round? No! No! I need all the help. And if you stop helping, you're gonna have to start banning people. That's just how that works. Because then you won't be too busy. Exactly, so... One time you don't want Capone to show up. Yeah, what if he like comes in here and like tells me everything? Is this an extra sign? Is that true? I don't remember if there was one over there. It's not extra? Oh. Oh, ooh. This, object manipulation? I don't remember what, room manipulation's right there. Bright. Yes, you are technically correct, Red, but it's actually because the wall is closer to us. There it goes. Back to normal. How many rooms are there supposed to be? Cam malfunction is going to be I think there's 8. I think there's 8 rooms. So we went with the hardest possibility. We've made it farther. Oh, this is something else, isn't it? I don't know what this is called. Is this object movement, really? There it goes. Oh, goodbye. I was counting cameras and I don't remember where I was at. I think we have all 8 though. Yeah, we should. We have all 8. Because this is number 1. Yes, we have all 8. Yeah. Stairway? I don't see one. The rail is moving? It is moving! I even looked at it too! Ugh! I even looked at it. And I was like, it's not moving. And apparently it actually was. I just didn't look at it long enough. I don't know how you saw that. Impressive, There's only, like, a couple that I for sure remember from each of these. So it's kind of screwed me because the ones I know aren't happening. She stares. Hardcore stare at the stairs. Nice. Yeah, yes. I do get it. She be staring at them stairs. Fade out. Zama said, I said my piece. Oh, missing books. Why were bikes moving? They're not actually moving. It's a weird thing about the game. Because they always like kind of shift like that. I don't know why. Some of the objects in this game just do that. And that's one of them. Because I thought that as well too when I first played. Yeah. It's very distracting. There's one dev and he said, yeah, stop mixing. Yeah, doesn't bother fixing it because, like, why bother? You know, it doesn't like break the game or really impede anything. But see, like, they're not really moving. It's just like the way that the light textures mess with the spoke. So they're just chilling. Lobby. Oops. Is it the signs again? Is it these ones? Oh no, this is different. Yeah, the price is different. You're right. I was like, wait. Because the thing is, yeah, it starts with like the N or whatever. But it usually be like 10E, right? 10E, yeah. Nice. Nice. Nice, nice, nice. Entrance. Hold on. Oh. Is this image anomaly, I guess? Because it should be apartment B, right? Doesn't know what a spoke is because of Elder Scrolls lore? What? You don't know because of a spoke on a bike? What are you talking about? Broken spoke from the crazy guy? I love how you knew that. You learn something and that's what matters. That's true. That's true. I'm just a little baffled is all. For metaphysics stuff, you'll take a paragraph to explain. Oh. Then no thank you. I'm getting a little nervous. Just because we haven't gotten the warning yet either. But I haven't seen anything. Lobby or something? Oh, now I see it. Okay. I see it. I see it. Because it starts with an N. The top sign starts with an N. I do know that. I do know that. There's something wrong with this man. Name was Cicero from the Dark Brotherhood quest line. Uh-oh. We get Void so quickly on Randomizer. I know! It took us forever to find that one when we were doing the anomaly hunting itself. The guy looked unhappy. Well, he was missing his head. Yeah, he was one of the ones we were missing for a while on our achievement list. Not nearly as long as... I mean, the Lumberjack took us forever to get. He was downright rude to get, I tell you. I hate having to do it because it was museum. Yeah, exactly. Like, I hated museum. Museum uh-oh. We have too many active anomalies. How? You think you see one on stairway? I don't know if I do. The rug is different? What? Is it really? That's too subtle. That's too similar. I don't like it. I don't appreciate it. Too subtle. I don't like when floors change because I don't usually notice them. Ah. I was wondering if that one was going to change. Slenderman. Get out of here. Get out of here. Totally forgot about that one, to be honest, really. I was waiting for it to change. And it finally did. But last time I scrolled through, it must have been on an image that doesn't change, and so I kind of like just went past it. We're at 5 a.m. Everyone needs to be on high alert. Oh, God. He's intruder right now. Where's the special one? I don't remember what happens. Turn that guy away from me. I know, he's terrible, isn't he? I hate him. I knew something else happened. I just didn't remember how to report it for a second. Sometimes they have the special reporting, you know. Put that thing back where it came from, or so help me. So what is the lore? That's a great question. So you work for a company, essentially, that finds anomalies and fixes them? Yeah, the overarching lore is that simple, but there's, like, deeper lore and stuff that I don't really get either. Each map has a specific story, too, that's true. Did the Repurchasers switch places? Oh. Look at you, Red! Look at you! Wow! Good catch, Red. That's very nice. Oh, we got the cat! I was waiting for this one. Weird cat. Meow. Meow. I was wondering if we were gonna get that one. It's not weird, it's just silly. He's just a silly little guy. Whoa. Oh, hold on. Abyss in the canning line, please. This must have been so interesting to have to code, because you have to code it completely differently to include the maps that are randomized in that instance. Like, I wonder how random it actually is. Hi, Abyss, bye, Abyss. Indeed. Hello, darkness. Oh, and he's gone. I keep waiting for this can to flip. Because it'd be doing tricks sometimes. Go to Abyss on aisle 7, clean up Abyss on aisle 7 over. Exactly, that's kind of our job. That's kind of what we do. Is this a good morning? Yep, got a dirty Dexter sandwich. Welcome in, Epoch. Hello, hello, happy. Oh, I guess it's midday for you, isn't it? Welcome in. How are you today? I wasn't supposed to stream today, but I'm gonna blame Epoch. Yeah, blame Epoch. He distracted us. He distracted us. He stole all your points, so blame him. He was like, oh man. Teddy's about to get so many points. Got the bonking
This comes from City
too.
This is crazy.
Jeff was like waiting with a button. So Loris, did you want to try giving those points? Or, or did you did that make sense when I said it before? Nice. No daddy gonna die. One winner. Oh my god. Teddy is rolling in points right now. 2K. As if Teddy needs more points. Come on. Thank you for doing that. Oh boy, howdy. I think we should do another random. Just to kind of see how it works, since we're like, you know, testing this out. You have recovered financially. But yeah, good morning, Epoch. I hope you have a good wake up. I don't know. I don't know how you wake up. Wake up. Do we still have that redeem? Do we still have the wake up redeem? I think we do. So I'm gonna do another randomized with the 8 room count, just so we can see how it actually randomizes. Because I'm curious on how random it truly is. You know, is it full like RNG, or did he set up maps to be together all the time? You know, does that make sense what I'm saying? 3rd time's a charm. Oof. Sit here in dread existence and force stuff to move. Oh, so it's very familiar. That's very familiar to me. Dread existence. Well, if you get up, you can have coffee, right? That's how that works, right? You can't have coffee? What do you mean? Are you out of coffee? That can't be possible, right? All right, let's see what maps they're gonna give us. We still have 8 maps to pick from. You drank too much last night and I'm in need of water. Well, I mean, coffee is kind of water, but you know, I guess you should have some water. Okay, so now we have lobby from spa, locker room from factory, garage from apartment, living room from log cabin, gift shop from museum, round gallery from museum.
Does your husband have nipples?
What? Excuse me? Main pool from spa. I beg your pardon? Garage did not render right? Did it? Was it stuck? Versus 30? Who donated? I thought it was just 30 points. I was like, what the heck? But yeah, definitely get some hydration in you, Epoch. However long that takes you. I forgot. Oh my god. Yeah, my husband does have nipples. I don't know if that was what you're referencing in that particular moment, but yeah, my husband does have nipples. Last I checked, I dip out, maybe back. All right, fine. Leave us. Bye. Bye, Boba. Who bet 6K? That's a great question. If you're voting for me, this is probably too late to tell you, maybe not the best decision, because we did just switch our maps. Yahoo! Oh, Epoch. Oh, you're voting for me. I am so sorry. I am so sorry for your points. Historically, bad luck. So I prey on your downfall, which will hopefully make you win. Okay, good. Yeah, we'll go with that, Zaman, yeah. There's a TikTok where someone took their male dog to the vet asking why they had nipples. Oh, essentially. You can blame all I do is hype you up. I've got to blame somebody, and Bulba just left, so they had to explain to them that males have nipples. Yeah. Yeah, they do be having them nipples. They do be having nips. We're in trouble. You guys shouldn't have voted for me. You guys should have zero faith in me at all times. At all times, I tell ya. It's so funny because does your husband have nipples? Now you have to lose because you bet like 700 on you. Thanks. Thanks, Boba. No, no, Teddy. Welcome in, Kumbaris. Hi, how are you? Welcome in, welcome in. When we can't see cold pool, there's a thing in the water behind my cam. Oh, okay. Garage line disappearing behind my cam, living room extra wood. Nice. I am not paying attention. You guys are gonna regret voting for me because I have not been looking. Main pool magazine switches behind my camera. Oh, that's true. Yeah. Is that two male signs? No, male and female. We're doing good. We're just trying out the new update for Observation G7. So, yeah, I haven't been in your Discord in a minute. How's your how's the game coming?
Hello?
Hello? I'm so distracted. I heard to check out Overnight Watch. You do. That is very true. And we do try it every once in a while. Who's gonna rich if you make it? Yeah. Fill your holes with lots of ice cream. Yeah. I love that. This one's different, right? Is he always like blood splattered? The second map on the public unstable branch. Ooh, nice. Thanks for saving me, Laura. So I almost clicked on that. We are so screwed. Still bug fixing? Yeah, the last couple times it's been a while. To be fair, don't forget about this. It's been a while since I've touched it, but the last two times I did try and load it up, it crashed instantly. So we just haven't been back in a minute. But I don't know if it's a my computer thing or that kind of deal. So, because my computer is older. Yeah, it just like it would get to the main screen, we would go to click on the map, and then it would crash. It was very bizarre. But again, I don't know if that's my computer issue because I am dealing with some old stuff. Fill your ice cream with holes. What are you gonna do with the? Uh-oh. There's already 3. Oh no! Oh no! It's already happening. It's already happening. We're in trouble. I shouldn't have switched the maps. What was I thinking? GG indeed. Yeah, you're gonna lose all your points. Thanks for believing in me, but also bad choice. It's been too long since I've looked at these. What was I thinking? I've been looking at your guys' messages too much too.
Time waits to die. So many
Oh man. Yeah, honestly, you guys are screwed. The log generates, that would be great. Yeah, if it pops up again, I will definitely do that for you. I'm not paying attention. I don't like missing your guys' chats, but also I'm like, not paying enough attention to this game. I didn't see anything. I didn't see a thing. Teddy, you should have spoken faster. I'm insane, but not a psychopath. Well, I don't know about that. Not with this at all. Yeah, I mean, perfect redeem, honestly. Okay, so we missed an object manipulation in round gallery. Was that because her head was on the wrong side? Because I debated on that, but I couldn't remember if she flips. Extra object in the living room. I got nothing for that. Maybe on the table? Missing object in the gift shop? Oh my god. Do you think it was one of the tiny ones in the back corner that I never get? It's the 18.6K go between you guys? Oh my god. Oh my god. Jeez. All right. That was fine. Add 1 of 6. Oh, Epoch gets weird ads, by the way. Let me just take a drink. Here's a regular map? No. Random or nothing. We got your random or nothing. That's why we're here. Random or nothing. Maybe we should go down to 5 maps? Yippee! Aw, thanks, Loris. Thanks for gifting us up the Epoch to get out of the bajillion ads. Maybe Daddy needs easy mode? There is no easy mode, I'll have you know. There's normal, and I am anything but, so there's that. Just this week's whole luck. Next time I pray on your downfall, you will surely win. Yet, please pray for my downfall. I said what I said. Well, let's do it again. Just do it again. Let's do it again. If you would like to, would you guys like another prediction? This is your guys' points you're gambling with. I don't get anything out of it. So would you guys like another prediction? Because Loris can absolutely put that up for you guys. This is your guys' gambling, so. Gamba. Faith, but you failed me? Teddy, what I did say don't have faith in me. I did say that. You're whipping out the sacrificial lamb. You said, But who is the sacrificial lamb, Salmon? I need to know who. Just lost generational wealth. Generational is bold. There was extra wood in the pile even after you told me, Loris, to look for it. There was literally an extra piece of wood in the pile. And her head was flipped. I was right, her head was flipped. We don't need to talk about it. You have 4 points left? Bet them. All in. All in, baby. You're selling yourself on the street. Well, you should earn points faster now that you have a sub, right? So... Senkei better go down the drain. Yeah, jinx me. Jinx me, Zam, jinx me hard. We gotta get these points back to you somehow. Oh my god. Now I have 0 points left. Oof. Drop the ball. I probably will. I'm so bad at it. It is the only way. First try for the 4th time. I just saw that you named it that. Oh my god. First try. First try, baby. First try. Woo! Okay. Anyway, I know these things can move. The handles can flip-flop. I think the rug... Don't distract me. Stop. Yeah, Faye, this time's a lock-in. I'm getting mixed signals here. I'm getting mixed signals here. Crying a little bit. I gotta focus. Ignoring chat and locking in. Right. Oh, yeah, ignore you. It's so hard for me to ignore you guys. Yeah, mixed signals. I'm being told to lose and win. What's that game? All right. All right. I'm sure that actually is a game somewhere. Oh, these plants are different. They don't have those object replacement, I think. Oh, I do have a new game for you guys later this week. I'm excited to play. It's Eldritch Horror. I look forward to it. Head should go the other way, I thought. Do we already flip-flop? No, it's supposed to be left. I got it wrong last time. Mixed messages! Mixed messages! Don't yell at me! Don't yell at me! I'm doing my best. Jeff is saving for a jazz bass. They're a very specific type of fish that you can find in Minnesota, probably. No, I meant to say Mississippi. Just roll with it. Never mind. My joke's lost. I can only do so many things at once, and making jokes is apparently not on the docket today. It's Tom Cardy's on. I am very locked in, for sure. I would love to get an eye tracker for this. This is like the only game I think that an eye tracker would actually really show much for me. Because I am like all over the place, especially like if I have to like look over at chat all the time. I'm always like, you know, I think an eye tracker for this would be crazy. Hello? Hello? Don't answer that call. If your paintings start to call you guys, just ignore it. Or burn it. The walls. Walls. I did watch a lot of ghost shows. Did I mention that? I watched a lot of ghost shows over the weekend. It was very nice. I don't get to watch them at home just because we don't have cable, but I love watching stupid ghost shows. Scandinavian chassis. If I had monies, I would go to the local store. They just got a Murphy. That sounds like stuff I don't understand at all. Ghost Adventures was on for a while. Caught on Camera. No, Unexplained Caught on Camera, I think that's what it was called. Ghost Brothers is one of my favorites. I love them. They're so funny. There was one other one I don't remember. I feel like I'm missing something for sure. Yeah, don't watch, did the stand move? Check for the wood. I did check for the wood. I did. Epoch, stop. I'm focusing. I looked over, I was like, oh, guitar stuff. I can ignore that. And then you're just fish gagging up in here. Why am I so stressed about this? Oh no! That's why I'm stressed. Jeff didn't do his, that's true. Can't tell if the cabin bookshelf move stuff. It can. I don't remember if it did. Let's find out. Can't see nothing. I'm legally blind. There is extra wood, Lars. There's extra wood. Just so you guys know. Extra object. There's 11K on the line. Panic. I don't need your help panicking. I do it fine on my own. Thank you. Thank you. Seriously, is this supposed to be there? The step ladder? Step ladder. Stop. I need to stop while I'm ahead. I don't know where this weird energy is coming from. It is supposed to be there, or is it weird? Is the Bug, I will kill your entire generation. I mean, with any luck. Oh no, stepladder. Exactly. Oh, okay, the thing is okay. Her head only turns left or right, or she stares at us. This bug is gonna make me, this is gonna be, ooh. It's about to say some stuff that's not to us. It's okay. It's okay. Round room? Round gallery is I don't see, oh, the light. Lights in the round gallery. Ah, we're gonna lose because I can't read. I'm fine. I'm doing fine. Totally normal. Books are missing. Object missing. I'm doing great. Ah! There's got to be something in this room because we haven't reported anything. All right, chat, drink water, as Ammon has said so. You ran out of your drink? What? Go get something. Like, what are you doing? Is there a spider on the bench behind your cam? No, I do look for the spider constantly because it's very large. Although I did miss the spider the first time I played. I will admit that. Liquid is... liquid. But that would imply you can drink a lot of things. I don't want to think about that right now. We already had that hypothetical forever ago. Anyone with... Hi, Capone! I was wondering if you were going to show up today. Hi, happy Monday. Have you played? Have you played since they did the update? Because you're going to have all your notes open. Yeah, does soup count? Soup counts. Soup is mostly liquid. Teddy said, Round. Oh, her neck. Is this object manipulation or object movement? You've seen me play the randomizer? Yeah, I was out of town all weekend and I came back to this update and I'm like super excited. Stop. I should not have given that to you. I don't know why I did that. That affects me more than it affects you. Oh, why did I do that?
Phrasing?
Indeed. Like the bat symbol in the sky, we need Capone's help. We're only at 2 a.m. I can't. Lamp in the lobby? Really? No, the lamp is fine. Pretty sure. How much your rhymes are in order based on cam, so you gotta go all over the place. Yeah, we were wondering how you were gonna manage that. Like, I feel like it'd be really difficult for you. And then it also depends on if the person has, you know, 5, 6, 7, or 8 cameras. Oh, her sign moved. Object movement, please. Round! It's not the lamp. It's not the lamp. I know some stuff. Don't try and trick me. You're just yelling. Listen, that's what works. I think I still think one of my favorite things is when Capone started yelling at me. I don't remember what the context was, but it was just like all caps. And I was like, dang, we broke the rhyming scheme. Or the lamp being in front of the plant? I don't think so. OD is coming? Oh, preview pictures are up? I did not see. Lobby, you said? Where? Footprints? Oh my god, I'm so blind. Is that a foot? Oh, it's just footprints. My bad. I didn't see the pictures. I just saw this update, and that's all I got. What do you mean you hate it here? What are you talking about? You're probably still gonna win all your points. Loris is carrying. Listen, she's not voting, so she's allowed to. You want your points? I'm sure you'll get them. It's only 2:30. We still have 2.5 hours in game, so you got plenty of time. You've got plenty of time. Yeah, bonk him. Absolutely bonked. Get bonked. Get concussioned. Loud hits. I want you to know my brain went through a variety of different animal hissing sounds trying to find the correct one. And I obviously I went with snake first, and then I went to cat next, and then I was like, I'm pretty sure penguins don't hiss, so I went with goose. I've got no reasoning for that. If that comes to mind when you say that, oh, absolutely. Absolutely. I will not click on it while I'm doing this map, though, so don't try and distract me. Control that. Control F the hell out of that Excel. Yellow hat moved on the right, up on top in your set. Yellow hat. Yellow hat? Oh, is it this one? Oh, man. I think this one does get me every time. Teddy, Capone said. I'm gonna send it. Listen, Capone didn't vote in the predictions, so he can help me all he wants. Just saying. I did forget about that. I forgot most about the locker room. Is the rug different? Can't keep out. The rug is fine? Oh, no. Oops. Is that my second wrong report? It once had 5 points like a star. Something's different on a car? Is it his hubcaps? That's the only thing I can think of that would be different. It's not the coloring, is it? It is the hubcaps? Okay. Object replacement? Oh, better give up now! I don't think I will. Thank you, Capone. See, Capone likes me. So, That's true. Loris isn't banning anybody or timing anybody out right now, because she's focused. It's fine, I guess. Whoa, buddy! Buddy, I haven't seen you in a hot minute.
I call bullshit.
Ah! Ah! Not the ASMR. Excited for OD8 because new rhymes and you get to update your quiz. That's true. Time me out to spite. Restreamer, mod or help? I want help. Just to spite Epoch at this point. That's it. Time me out too. No timeouts. She said. I don't make the rules. Ooh, decapitation. In this economy? Actually do. Modly? You have to do, no, you have to do your boldly duties, yeah. Time you out too brief. Haven't seen people do the no color option yet. Oh, then yeah, while you're here, maybe we'll change it up. If I win or lose, we'll try no color. Because I was curious about it, but I don't know if it'll affect gameplay all that much. You timed him out for 600 seconds? 50 messages were deleted? Oh my god. Oh my god. I am somehow also going to blame this mistake on Epoch, so... Yeah, you can Loris is going I got a spinning spree. Teddy's catching strays. Oh no. Oh my god. Oh my god. Teddy just caught a straight up like... Welcome back, Epoch. I don't know what happened. Smite me. Yeah, Loris is just throwing them and oof. We're gonna lose, just so you guys know, because I got so distracted. Oh, spider. Ellie, I'm sorry, I laughed too hard. Ellie's concerned. Look what you guys have done. I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, you straight up said, Teddy, get out. Welcome back, Teddy, by the way. I think this counts as missing object, right? Because when the glass is gone. It's been 72 years.
It's been 72 years.
Yeah, plankton. So man, everyone's so down I can hang out. That was Loris's plan all along. Get mod powers and then go delete everybody. I hate her. I hate her. I've always hated her. I hate statues like that. Oh my god. Also don't know what that sound was that came out of me, but here we are. I got nothing. I think I caught us back up. I really have no idea. I've not been paying enough attention. But we got the spider. Let's just change ever since the green sword. The power. It's been too much. Toot. Yeah, poor Teddy. Poor Teddy. Roger. So it stops moving over. Guys, it's freaking me out. Over. Trying to click on Xammin. Yeah. Painting? What do you mean? The paintings are fine. Aren't they? Or are you trying to distract me because... I'm pretty sure they're fine. You haven't been here to go on VIP. On VIP him. I'm trying, Teddy, I'm trying! I'm doing my best! Wasn't this the sack one? No.
And his name is John C.
The sack one. That's normal, actually. That's a normal painting. His name is John Cena. Uh-oh. Alright, dance emotes in chat. That's how it works. I'm still locking in, though. Sorry about it. Snort. Everyone who watches the VOD later is gonna be so confused right now. It's this. Is it this one? Uh-oh. I forget. Man. I think it does it change? Hi, Zerb. Thanks for joining in with the twerk. Love it. Is he twerking technically, or is he just doing a weird little flippy flop? I'm not sure. Definitely normal. All right, we're at 4. We're already past 4 a.m. So, and thank you for the pager. That was fun. I wasn't dancing as hardcore as normal, but I'm trying to focus. Focusing, despite everyone's attempts today to test me. I'm doing okay. Locker. What? Is locker closed? Blue poster. Blue poster is different? Oh, because it talks about... Oh, because I see the little horseman on there. Locker, I barely know her. On a blue poster by a hook, the poster is different. Take a look. Yes. Yes, thank you. Anyway, I hope everyone's enjoying this bonus stream today. Because I'm stressed out. I'm actually having a great time. I'm glad I decided to stream tonight. Like, what was I gonna do instead? Go to bed? Eyeball! Took you years to get the barely knower joke was. That's very funny. Yeah, I forget the one that I usually do. It's like banger, or like take her out to dinner first or something like that. The bookshelf on clothing rack is mocking you. Eventually it'll change for you, Teddy. I have faith. Not faith that I will notice, but I have faith that it will change for you. This bug is gonna send me over the edge. Send me right over the edge. You should look at the preview pictures for OD8. Yeah, I'll definitely look at that, yeah. Remind me. Ooh, yuck. Yuck, 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 yuck. Maine! For a second I thought you typed man, and I was like, I mean, well, still the same thing, I guess, but... Maine! I did see him floating in the water. That is, yeah, that's a big one. That's a little guy. That's a little guy staring at me. I can't remember who I was playing with. I don't think they hang around. But one of my earlier observation duty chatters, we were like, we haven't seen anything in the locker room. Like, it's so weird. We haven't seen anything in the locker room. And then we went and there's just like a pool of blood. We're both like, oh. We had like a hard laugh about that. That was forever ago. It is missing on the right. Please bring back a line that's white. Oh, is that in the garage today? Nobody look. That was totally normal. Grandma's just watching TV. Coast Guard when the Coast Guard hasn't moved. Oh no. Alright, everyone has to look again. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. She be swangin'. She be swangin'. I forgot you had to report her twice. I'm so sorry.
Phrasing?
Sorry, guys. I cannot control when that happens. A white line is missing? I don't think so.
That, brother?
If you're talking about in the garage? Or is there a different white line that I'm missing? Yeah, them big old bitties. Was I missing a different line? Capone, am I blind? I do trust you, Capone. I do, but I don't see one. If you're talking about in... Let's read your whole thing again. It's missing on the right. Please bring back a line that's white. Because I think the line is still on my screen. Yeah, it's still there. Yeah, it's there, I promise. You can see it right there. Right there. Yeah, I know it's really hard for you guys. I'm so sorry. The camera placement's, you know, iffy. Yeah, the lines are actually kind of like yellowy, in my opinion. All 8 cams? I have zero idea. Cold pool? Huh? What am I missing? Well, Epoch, congratulations. You got your wish. You got your wish. We only had like half an hour left, too. I haven't won once tonight. Why must I win? 200 points. Wow, you can retire now. The lobby was gone. Oh my. Capone, you're so right. Oh my god.
It's Cumshot City over here. This is crazy.
It's not Cumshot City over here. Ah, my stupid buttons aren't working again. I need to fix them. Try no color. Do you want to look at the images first, though? Let's look at the images first, and I gotta see what my messages look like right now. Oh, you were thinking about the Stitch hiss? Yeah, you text me all the time. Oh my god. Can't with you. Let me see. Observation Duty 8. Ooh, I can put it on my wish list now. I can't put it on my wish list. How mean do you get to beat Eva? That is fair. I mean, you can be pretty mean. I'm saying. For 10 minutes. Pepperidge Farm remembers. Okay. So we have some new images from Observation Duty 8, which is coming out, which let's slap it on my wish list. Add to wish list right now. Not on a, how do I make this bigger? That did not make it any bigger. Paul? Sure. Is this a stage? Is this like a model walking stage? Catwalk. It is a catwalk. Look at that. Oh, this one's gonna be hard. What is this? There's an your heart with 10 minutes. Oh my god, so dramatic. Ooh, front porch of a new, like, cabin. I love that. It looks heavy, yeah. So, ooh, the stairwell. Oh, something is definitely coming up from there. I'm calling that one right now. Something is coming up those stairs for us. Ayo. Well. And anomaly detectors, please stand by, same as always. And some of my rhymes mention colors, so they aren't gonna make so much sense anymore. Ooh, maybe you need to make a black and white version. Well, then I will play black and white just for you. Just for you, Capone. So yeah, go wish this that, so he knows that we're excited for that. Obviously, it'll probably be a while, but I'm excited that he's still doing stuff. Let me just miss that quick. Black and white on a normal map. On a normal map, what's the fun of that? Times went out the number after / timeout equals number. She's just pushing the button, Ebok. She's not using the commands. We're still learning the mod thing. Let's do no color. We'll do 5 rooms. I still want to do the random, but Lars is like, yes. At least it was only for 60 seconds this time. But that's gonna be the longest 60 seconds. Longest 60 seconds. All right, we'll just do 5 random. I still like the random idea just because we're feeling extra silly and goofy tonight. It'll be fine. 5 rooms, black and white. I'm just laughing right now. Laughing, yeah, for sure. No, he's actually crying on his floor right now. Sobbing and crying right now. All right, we're doing, 5 random, black and white. I never checked my messages in between that round. Hopefully no one needed me. Oh, it's just Bulba. This is weird in black and white. He's back. Yeah, exactly. He crying on the floor.
It's Cumshot City over here. This is crazy.
This is gonna be so difficult in the black and— oh no! Not the hallway. I can't even make that sound. I'm suspicious of how you can make that sound so well. I hate this in black and white. I hate it. Don't like. No thank you.
Write that down, write that down!
Never mind. Let me put my phone down. Never once practiced it before. That was just straight from the rip. Dang. you were born to do it. How are we gonna know if the floor changes in here? You need to go to something. And that's where I'll end that thought. We're not gonna be able to notice if the lines are different either. The lines disappear? I don't remember. Did they full on disappear or did they change color? Because I thought they changed color. Yeah. Round? Sorry. Oh, her sign moved. I was like, I don't know why I was looking at the picture. All right, chat has to hydrate. That includes you, Epoch. Drink your water. They turned yellow. How are we gonna get that? How are we? Maybe that one doesn't change anymore because it's in black and white. I don't know. I don't know. Ugh. Oh, you have a drink, Salmon? I'm proud of you. What are you drinking? No. Is it soup? Gonna know if the chair in the living room changes. Oh, that's so true too. We are screwed. Yeah, I know what syrup is. Like on pancakes? Are you chugging syrup right now? Or is it like cough syrup? Because I have other questions. But about it, we could just be doing... Wait, hold on. Really think about it. We could just be some dogs on ladders right now. What does that even mean? What does that even mean? What are you talking about? Oh, black and white. Yeah, we're dogs for sure. I was like, is this some Australian thing I don't get? Am I missing something? You're drinking lemon syrup? You're drinking lemon concentrate right now? Maybe with all the dogs playing cards, that's true, yeah. There was a bit there. Epoch's like, we could be dogs, man. Stop, guys. I'm focused. God, I'm trying to be focused. We don't even have a prediction going for this one, so I guess this is gonna be whatever. But woo! Am I drunk right now? You know what? I only drank once over the weekend. It's too distracted timing you buck out. That's true. You had your priorities. I get it. But I had a, I don't know what I actually had yesterday. I think it was called like a Frattini, but it was like a lot of fruit juices or something. I don't know, with Prosecco, and I love Prosecco. And then I had a mocha martini. You bet 93K you lose.
All around me are familiar faces.
Oh, Jesus.
Worn out faces. Worn out faces. Bright and early for the daily faces. Going faces. Going faces.
Moving Epoch. Everyone's just trying to steal Loris's name. Hey, there's a head in the toilet. Guys, there's a head in the toilet. Yeah, road UFO because I want to see the space scene in black and white. Ooh, I bet that would be really cool. You know what I'm not wanting to see in black and white is the stupid horseman licking our camera. Where? I'm not going to repeat that. I had a thought. You don't see a head in the toilet? That's because I got rid of it, so. Whoa! Ready for this one? Ready for this one? That's one of my favorites. You need proof? Well, sucks to suck. Because it's gone. Check again. Yeah, check for... Never mind. Sometimes I do need to stop what I'm about to say. And occasionally I do. Occasionally. I remember things. You saying Teddy's the one in the bathroom? Streamers learning? Man. Sometimes I don't, though. Again, I'll be out in public and I'll say things and I'm like, in the place where you go pee, I had that thing called Skippity. Oh, no. You said, occasionally. Words are hard again at work today. Hell yeah. I'm glad that the mannerisms are catching. I'm glad they're catching. How am I gonna know if this changes? This changes colors too. I want you, okay, so there's gonna be a couple of videos I do post about my time in the gardens because I was attempting to be an influencer or whatever they do. But I had to record myself and then run up onto these logs to go take a picture because I don't know how phones work. And I literally was like running back to my phone like, I still have knees. I still have knees because I jumped off really high. And I was like, no one else is here. I'm just saying this to myself. I don't know. It was so bizarre. We can't see the sign on the road behind my cam if that changes. I think it's fine. Lowing Morris. Cows do make a lowing sound. That's what the sound they make is called. You're not a cow, but Lowing Morris, it sounds like. I don't know. Morris is just a name. Who you blowing, Jeff? Dang, dude. He deserves a bonk for that one. Absolutely deserves a bonk for that one. I don't think we probably won't get lucky enough to get the UFO on the first go. Although we did get Void on the first go when we played when we had the museum map. Is anyone else paying attention, or is it just me? Because don't say that. Call me a 600-watt leaf blower? Yeah, why is that? Yeah, why is that? Please explain. I'm not gonna know if these lights flicker either. It's like too dark in here. The round gallery has something? Unintelligible leaf blower noises. Yes. The ground floor was once black. In that room, fix it back. Well, yeah, you're going to figure out a different one for black and white. Maybe something about wood, I guess? Wood into stone or something? Yeah, you're going to have like a whole other subset of descriptions for black and white. I'm not reading that out loud. Why does it work so well with Capone's message, though? It kind of does. I'm mad about it, but yeah. Oh, did this floor change? This one changes too, right? This feels like really bright in here. Am I crazy? This change. Okay. Bryce, we're on the dope quotes tonight. Ooh, is he finally gonna have his own quotes command? Ooh. I haven't been looking. Yeah, that becomes the question when you're in this chat. It's like, what did I say? I'm selling myself on the street for this is a good one. Yeah. I do like that one. Just tonight, yeah. Unintelligible leaf blower noises is pretty good. You're gearing up to have your own quote recall command. Because I like to have a few in there before I give anybody one. Fill your holes with ice cream to spite Dino? Yep. I love that for me. But now I can just say it's his quote and I was just quoting him. No one's gonna know. How are they gonna know? Texas suck machine. 5,000 with rib suction cup inlays. 30-volt backup battery. That sounds like a wild weekend. I don't like the rib suction cup inlays. Honestly, I think that's my biggest problem. What are these quotes? Which ones? Yours or somebody else's? Or doesn't get you added to dope? Loris is like, I have standards. Yeah, actually that is a standard quote, Loris. Unfortunately, that is a regular thing that is said. big unfortunate. A sign that points the way the color is inverted on your display. Would it be this one? Colors inverted? How are they gonna go do that? Oh, that one's mean in black and white. No, definitely add it in there, Loris. I want that one in there. But spelled correctly because he said such instead of suck, so... Spell it correctly because he can't speak correctly. Type correctly, whatever. Ugh. Demon dog. I'm going too fast, I'm so sorry. Stuck that anomaly? Absolutely not. Here's one to make you glad. Man's best friend now looks mad. You know what? You were absolutely correct on that one. Duck just hungry. That's true. Like, the food bowl's on the table. How's he gonna get food there? Are we missing it, Cam? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No. Ah! Hello? I hate this one because I can never see the circle. He's so dramatic. Do you think Luigi ever does anything else with his vacuum? Nah, he's too scared. He's too scared to try weird stuff. When the green man is in your sight, click and hold him really tight. See, that one's gonna have to change too, because that one's colored oriented. Glowing man, maybe? Floating man? Burning man? I don't remember much about anything, because I don't remember where I was going with that. I don't remember much of nothing. She's back! From watering her lawn at 8:30 p.m. What a weird thing to do. Did you win before? Probably. I don't remember. Basement? And you're looking at, oh, the extra box. That's a mimic. Sometimes look at some of these quotes and think that actually came out of our keyboards. Y'all need to be studied. What do you mean we need to be studied, Teddy? It's you. Oh, it's object replacement. It's not 2 boxes. I'm stupid. Hold on. Ah! It should be a social experiment and studied. Yeah, you and Teddy would get along great. Although Teddy is more cannibalism. Yours is more suck. We should all be studying it. Aaron asked what that water lawn, I wasn't doing that while the sun was out. You weren't gonna do it at the time of the day that the grass would need it the most? Yeah, yours is more suck. I said what I said. Ebuck and Teddy, rip and suck. Yeah, kinda. Suck and rip, I guess, if you flip them the others. I've been known for worse. Yikes. Yikers. They really get mad if those socks get stuck. No! Yes. I hate that you said that, and I hate that I instantly knew what you were talking about. Which rip and suck for your metal cover name? Go ahead and use that. Yeah, absolutely. Oops, I need abyss in the bathroom. Not the sock. Never call it that again. If you water walls too light, then it won't soak into the ground until it evaporates, and also sun bleach your plant leaves. Ah, they'll be fine. It's like giving them highlights. But you both give me the side eye. A lot of things are happening, Zerb, and I could not explain to you. And eat back to the Dope Quotes channel so we can just add everything he says. I can't keep up. Yeah, I mean, you can if you'd like to. He is VIP. That is true. He just won't put it in there. He's gonna be like, I never said that. I didn't say anything weird. That's why we have to do it for him. So I can be like, hey, remember that time you said that one thing? Whoop! You do say a lot. You do say a lot. Extra object? I love how no one wanted to bet on this one, but I'm actually doing pretty decent. Well, with 3 less cameras, but we don't need to talk about that. I just burned myself. Sorry your brain works this way. It's a unique place. Daddy's not making you do anything. Daddy gave you free will and you chose to gamble, you know? On your first color rhyme, you have to change. The problem is you made it rhyme with the color, so you have to change it. Oh, no. Oh, man. We're just making your brain work extra, Capone. This is good for you, too. Stretch your muscles. Stretch your rhyming muscles. The Edge Master and the Cluck Cluck Master. Daddy, Daddy, no. Oh my god. If there was a way to set it so, like, the first time you guys are both in chat together, that would pop up, I would straight up do that. 2022 Edging Champion. Why 2022 specifically? What happened in 2022? Please elaborate. Actually, I don't know if I want to hear that. Elaborate for everyone else's sake. The dark times. Not the dark times. No, the Master Edger and the Glizzy Goblin. Bulba. I appreciate you. That's what I appreciate about you. Bulba just doesn't know what's happening and is still interjecting jokes. He's gonna copy and paste chat logs into Dope Quotes tonight. Sometimes I will do that. I'll just like copy and paste. Before 2022, he was the Soggy Biscuit Champion. Or was he like the Super Soaker 3000 or something? Oh my god, I'm so sorry for anybody who's new here. If anyone is, I apologize because this is not changing. Get it better, let's get at her. Yeah, these anomalies are, I think I'm gonna get got. I'm sorry about you guys. Why her neck like that? That's normal, actually. I'm newbies, we talk about cum a lot. Specifically, Teddy talks about cum a lot.
It's Cumshot City over here. This is crazy.
I take it back. Also Epoch. Living room? Living room! Oh, glass is missing. You don't like her neck being broken or the Cumshot City because...
By the way, the streamer is Ace, if you couldn't tell from the cum talk.
Good god, not the ASMR! It's both, absolutely. Basement. Oh, the magazine did change! Ooh, good eyes. Oh, is that an image anomaly? Yeah, the ASMR is a rough one. But yeah, I'm asexual and I still talk like a college frat boy sometimes. I feel like the voice just touched you. I know! Every single time it feels like she's caressing my eardrums and I get so uncomfortable. I hate ASMR. Hate it. This can is different, right? Sending it! Jeff, if I could put you in the jar, I would. Teddy, no! Not the Rainbow Dash cum jar. You do get the ASMR a lot. You're not adding some dope quotes for the night, Jeff, it's all you. She's licking inside your ear? The what now? Yeah, look that up, Bulba. Go ahead and look that up. I dare you. Yep, that's a real thing. That's a real video on the internet. This dude was so proud of his Rainbow Dash cum jar. No, not that big a quote. Yeah, Loris is putting in hard work. Here's anything that you may need on the second shelf. Bring back what you'd read. Oh, Teddy, you weren't paying attention to the shelf. Teddy, you had one job. Teddy. Yeah, the ASMR chick sounds like she's licking your ear. Or, well, she's just inside your ear. She's caressing your brain in a very uncomfy way. And so far, none of us have liked it. Except for Red. Yeah, Teddy, come on. You had the one. Starting to mod tonight. That's true. I said, surprise, I'm here. Ooh, this boy. Image anomaly. Yeah, ASMR sucks. There's Reddit Jolly Rancher story. Don't search anything that Jeff tells you to. You had to give up on everything, and I'm so sorry. And I'm so sorry. Yes, everyone give Loris money. Go make her very uncomfortable. Go give her some money. You probably hate your sanity. Yeah, please don't. Well, actually. Yeah, I'll tell you about it later. Just give it back to me. I am eventually going to add like a donate to the mods button. So you can't deny it if someone gives it to you, so if it's a redeem, you can't say no. You give it to Loris when I add the button, I guess. Nope. No. I would say buy her a sub, but she's always subbed. Hurry up. Sorry, I'll drop everything for you. Everyone desires. Yeah, that's very true. We're all trying to help Loris out. You do good work. And also, if you ever do want to skip a night, I'm totally not mad about that. You didn't sub in advance? You heard her. Everyone gift her subs. Get her. You got $2 asking to be spent. Bulba is rolling in the dough. Oh, never mind. Gift her subs anyway. You're only part of the day on Sunday. Oh, that's okay. Just throw money at her. Get her. Sunday is a new game, by the way. It's going to be Tiny Bookshelf. Tiny Bookshop? Tiny Bookshop. I played the demo on that one forever ago, and it was so nice. It was very calm. We're actually going to have a relaxing, chill Sunday. Those weren't there before. Is it an image anomaly or is this extra? I don't remember. I do not remember. Both work? Okay. You're gonna recommend it to me? Yeah, I played the demo forever ago, and it's so cute. It's so chill. I'm a big fan. Wait for an opportune moment to give Loris a sub for gifting me subs for 4 months in a row, but she's always subbed. Yeah, she's fast. She's on it. She is on it. But if you casually friend her on Steam and send her video games... Just saying. Because you bought 6 months in advance last time? Yeah. Yeah, I did that to Epoch too. I was like, stuck with me. 6 months. Bing bang. What if it's your birthday, you wish to give you money? That's true. You can't deny a birthday wish. That's true. Is this bottle different? I feel like that wasn't supposed to be there. The bottle's fine. Okay. Oh, you're gonna make Bulba sad in her birth month that's still months away from now? Oh my god. Oh my god. I did not mean to click on her chest like that. What happens if streamer give money? What's gonna happen then? Then what are you gonna do? Yeah, that statue is messed up. I'm conflicted. Just her chest and said, oh my god. Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just sounded like the dude. Let's go 6 months in advance. Oh my gosh, didn't have to do that. I was goofing. Thank you so much for the 6. I really, really appreciate that. Yeah, I hope you're ready to be stuck around for more of this. Welcome in officially. Thank you, thank you. I'm glad we didn't scare you away, even though apparently some of us were trying really hard. We're not usually this bad. Well, some of us aren't. I'm a sweetheart. I never do anything. Basement. What's wrong in the basement? Maintenance sign is missing on the door. This one? The middle door? Oh, dang it. We're gonna get locked out, I think. Oh, no, okay. Tier 2 or 3 sub, the extra money goes to Loris. Oh. What's because of time zones? Oh yeah, we've got a bunch of time zones around here. It do be 4 a.m. there. Why do we keep gathering folks that's like 4 a.m. for? You are in good company, Gambaris, for sure, because well now Loris is gonna have to yell at you to go to bed, because that's also what she does. Whenever she finds out. Yes, it's another name to yell to go to bed, exactly. There was object manipulation in the living room, missing object in the basement, which I was working on, missing object in the round gallery. Oop, and it's frozen. Hello? Okay, we're good. Half the stream is in Europe, yeah. Yeah, I think that's pretty. It's fine, you got vacation? Hell yeah, love that. Yeah, it's unfortunate that a lot of the people we gather are in different time zones. It's just kind of unfortunate that way. Nice, okay. I'm checking all my messages now. Yeah, I really appreciate you joining in, Gambaris. I'm really glad we got to catch you. Or you caught us? One of those many. But yeah, so that was the new update for Observation Duty 7. I probably will play that again. Yes, yeah, she did put it, my reminder. I do have it off on my side. It's actually still on my desktop for me to check. Good stream, we did not complete a single game. We got close twice. I know who I'm blaming, but you guys can blame whoever. The randomizer is rough. That's a rough one, but I will have to try that again. But our schedule for this week, we're having a community game night. We're gonna blame Zeepak and definitely blame Bulba for sure, just because you said that. And then we're gonna have community games on Wednesday. Exclamation point! Blame Zeepak.
Phrasing.
Forget do the content creator role. Aw, thanks. I got a special role, guys. I got a special role. He's special. This lady on the Cholula hot sauce bottle, Bob Saget. Yep. I remember that one. Yeah, so if you guys want to play community games, that will be on Wednesday. We'll do a little bit of...
I brought you frankincense. Thank you. And I brought you myrrh. Thank you.
Murder.
Judas.
No. We're going to play a little bit Kokoro. And probably some Jackbox, if I had to guess. We usually do. And we'll see from there. Might be late for Wednesday. You got an affair with it. You got an affair? Hold on. Hold on a second. You got an affair with a veteran. I know what you're trying to say, but it makes me question. Ayo? Exactly. Everyone question Teddy. I mean, question Teddy 24/7, honestly, because he says some wild things. Some wild things. Anyway, talk about my schedule. Snort. Wednesday, community games. Be here or be sad, I guess. I don't know. Because tomorrow I don't stream. I will be going to that concert, so I will send pictures if I remember. I'm really bad about that, about tomorrow. Community day on Wednesday, and then we're playing Static Dread on the Thursday. Static Dread is new. Yeah, Zerv, I'm going to a concert. I'm going to a concert tomorrow. I'll try and send you guys pictures. Mild for Teddy standards? Yeah. You've been actually pretty mild tonight, I'll be so honest. Yeah, it should be a good time. I'm just gonna show up. I don't know what to expect. Because they're not bands I've ever seen that I follow. Five Finger Butt Punch? Nope, definitely not seeing that. Definitely not seeing whatever that is. Not even a little. Anyway, Static Dread on Thursday, which is a Eldritch horror type game. That's all I remember about it. It's semi-spooky, not really. It should be a good time. The art looks really cool. It just came out. Oh yeah, and join my Discord if you aren't in the Discord. Thank you for that, Kambaris. If you would like to. We get up to some shenanigans. A lot of memes. Not all from me. If you guys want updates on that. My schedule is also posted in there. There should be a schedule tab or something. I don't know. Your Nightbot would have done it already. I think it did forever ago. I think it was a while ago. But yeah, all my stuff Nightbot says eventually. But then Sunday we'll be doing our chill stream of Tiny Bookshop. I'm excited to play that. It'll be nice. Unless I'm lying about my schedule, I would never lie about my schedule. I would never accidentally surprise stream for you guys. What? Bonking me? What do you mean? You guys got a free stream today. Well, Loris didn't get a free stream. She paid for it, but... Everyone else thank Loris for the stream tonight. Cause we got money. Yeah. Yeah, hopefully it doesn't get randomly timed out. We'll see. You were prepared. Yeah, you were prepared. I saw you in there. So I sent in Discord and then immediately joined stream. You were like, thank you, Loris. Can I give you money? Just so you know, Loris, she does this to me in real life too. It's a problem. It's a constant fight with us. Constantly. It's my wish. You don't get a wish today. Anyway, stop distracting me, guys. I'm trying to leave. I'm trying to leave you. I'm leaving you. I don't know you like that. Red. I'm trying to leave anyway. I mean, then I'll give Loris the money. Yeah. It's just the screaming. Anyway, I'm trying to leave. Oh god. Let me actually see if I can rate anybody tonight. I don't usually, but let's see. Who am I following? I don't know. Probably it's like the most people I follow don't stream this late on like a weeknight. Same categories. Anyone playing tonight? Not really. Not really. All right, we'll end it then. The Midwestern goodbye. I know it's really a problem. So it's $2 in quarters in Loris's back pocket. Dang, that's my purse. Yeah, Red just does what she wants. Yeah. Anyway, I will not see you guys tomorrow. I'll see you on Wednesday for Community Day. So if you want to play games with all of us, please pop in. We're gonna have a lot of fun. It'll be a good time. Crisp high five. Hell yeah. All the short people are working together. Yeah, that'll be it. That'll be it for me. I'm leaving. Stop distracting me. Stop doing it. Yes, everyone have a lovely time zone. And if I don't see you, I hope you guys have a lovely rest of your week. As always, thank you everybody for joining in and for helping or hindering tonight. Either way, I appreciate you. Bye, everybody. Have a good night. Time zone. One of those. Okay, I'm leaving. Goodbye, you guys. Goodbye.